on power to run through this way.
Hopefully.
If we can light them up through this door, I think it'd be nice.
Hear him again. They're coming back.
I see him. Yep. Got him.
Wow. Oh, another one.
Oh,
I ran out of ammo.
No!
Where is he?
Gun
Is he still there?
malfunction. I had a misfunction. Yeah, he's still sitting there. I had to move. I had a gun malfunction.
Wow, that grenade went way fucking...
These
grenades are really fucking buggy lately.
I don't know where he went.
I don't know.
Peeked it.
That grenade was fucking... Wow, that was really weird the way that flew. Did they close it or did you?
I just closed it. I had a gun malfunction as I was shooting at him.
Oh, that sucks. It's always just the worst time.
I think he just dipped out.
I feel like there's probably more than just him.
Oh yeah,
It sounds like a lot.
Oh, yeah, I fucking murdered this poor bastard. I'll loot this guy right here. He had a razor on too. See how ballsy this guy is. I didn't have shit.
Did you have armor?
Yeah, he had the ABS rig.
Oh, okay. So I feel like I shot the fuck out of him and he didn't die. I don't know how.
ABS rig's only a
I guess
46 out of 70.
Yeah. Well, I guess I am using garbage ammo, so he tanked a lot of it.
Where is but if he didn't get that lucky with the shift mount or the shooting gun malfunction.
Did I open up this door? Think he ran back inside? Oh fuck! I threw both my grenades though.
I'm just gonna play it around, like run back the way he did.
All right. Well, I'm gonna open this door.
It. Actually, never mind. I don't want to play that. It's too open. Are you in?
I went in. Yep, I'm in.
Dude, it's